Meaning of India.
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 India. India is a country in South Asia, known for its rich history, diverse culture, and booming economy. It is the seventh largest country in the world by land area and the second most populous country after China, with a population of over 1.3 billion people. India is home to many different languages, religions, and traditions, making it an incredibly diverse and vibrant nation. From the iconic Taj Mahal to the bustling streets of Mumbai, India offers visitors an unforgettable experience with a unique blend of ancient traditions and modern innovation.